Morning, Adrian Carbon Clean. We've got a Volvo XC90. Now this one's a 2010 model, just short of 180,000 on the clock. Now we came out to this one, gosh, it must be about, 8 weeks ago now. It had various issues with it that we suggested we didn't do the clean on the day. Some issues with the inlet manifold, the swirl flaps, some other bits and pieces going on with it. Didn't sound very healthy at all. So we didn't do the clean after we did all the diagnostic work on it. Gave the report to the owner. They've been and had a lot of the issues fixed now. There's only one issue remaining, that's the oil quality level and temperature sensor. That's just one last thing to get resolved in the engine section. Otherwise, desperately in need of a clean-up with that swirl flap issue that had been there previously. Really noisy, really boomy, really shaky. This is lovely and smooth and quiet now compared to what it was. So you get that back of that turbo, that combustion chamber, injector tips, pistons, cylinders and cats cleaned up. Running lovely and smooth and quiet now compared to what it was. Just that one sensor to sort, a few other bits and pieces in there in the other sections of the vehicle, which the owner can get done now. It's running nice temperature, everything else looks pretty good on the live data. So definitely the right thing to do, not clean this on the first job, and then back again today, get it cleaned up now.